Alright, so hello and welcome. Welcome back. Howdy. I wanted to take a look at some problems that I was looking at the other day. I was learning a little bit more about Java on Hackerrank, and so I wanted to revisit that. So let's do that. Let's get into that. Yeah, we'll get right into it, I guess. Just some easy questions. Some of the easier questions. They have a okay. Java date and time. Oh yeah, we were looking at I stopped on this because I was kind of annoyed. Right. Okay, yeah, it's kind of a man. I I only have so much patience, you know. I just we need time zone, Java time zone. There's Java Gregorian calendar, and we have actually, what is it? Like, suddenly want to stop immediately just because as soon as I remember what I stopped on before, it's like, some things you just, I don't know, for whatever reason, it's exhausting just to think about it. Yeah. So, okay. Simple time zone. So we need a simple time zone. Basically, we need a simple time zone to give to our calendar class. Otherwise, our calendar is going to give us the wrong date. I think that's the issue. Output Saturday. Expected output Wednesday. How does that happen? So far. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday says 3 days. 3 days difference. How is this so wrong? I don't know, man. Do we just add 3 days or subtract 3 days? I'm tempted to do that. Just forward it 3 days. Just call it whatever. Who knows why it's off by so much? I think it's the time zone. I think it's the issue. All right. Excuse me. I have to like really sit and read and familiarize myself with what's going on here in order to do this properly. I don't actually know what the answer is either. Like somehow this is wrong, and I have to basically don't have enough context to know like why it's wrong, which is just annoying. Because this like really shouldn't be that hard. This is supposed to be like a pretty simple thing. But okay, all right, that's fine. Without a time zone. Excuse me. All right, I guess we just have to read it. I don't know. I don't want to spend that much time on this, but I guess that's it. We're just gonna learn about this. Public class Gregorian calendar extends calendar. Gregorian calendar is a concrete subclass of calendar, provides the standard calendar system used by most of the world. Gregorian calendar is a hybrid calendar that supports both the Julian and Gregorian calendar systems, with the support of a single discontinuity, which corresponds by default to the Gregorian date when the Gregorian calendar was instituted, October 15, 1582, in some countries, later in others. Cutover date may be changed by the caller by calling get set Gregorian change. Okay. Sets the Gregorian calendar change date. This is the point when the switch from Julian dates to Gregorian dates occurred. Default is October 15, 1582 Gregorian. Previous to this dates will be in the Julian calendar. To obtain a pure Julian calendar, set the change date to date long max value. To obtain a pure Gregorian calendar, set the change date to date long min value. Okay, so I wonder if like this has anything to do with the incorrect answer. Like we need to switch to the correct Gregorian. Excuse me, correct Gregorian date. I don't know. Yeah, man, just like I'm already just yawning because it's so like, what? What is even this question? Have to guess to try to figure out why it's not correct. When you really shouldn't have to guess that. That's kind of silly. Okay. Only difference between the Gregorian and the Julian calendar is the leap year rule. The Julian calendar specifies leap years every 4 years, whereas the Gregorian calendar omits century years, which are not divisible by 400. Okay, so Julian calendar is every 4 years. Gregorian omits the century years, which are not divisible by 400. All right. So is it a time zone issue? Is it the Gregorian versus Julian calendar issue? I mean this could make a difference. This could account for three differences in days in the week, I guess. 3 days worth. Implements proleptic Gregorian and Julian calendars. That is, dates are computed by extrapolating the current rules indefinitely for backward and forward in time. As a result, Gregorian calendar may be used for all years to generate meaningful and consistent results. However, dates obtained using Gregorian calendar are historically accurate only from March 1st, 4 AD onward. Okay, when modern Julian calendar rules were adopted. Before this date, leap year rules were applied irregularly, and before 45 BC, the Julian calendar did not even exist. Okay. Interesting. Yeah. Prior to the institution of the Gregorian calendar, New Year's Day was March 25th. To avoid confusion, this calendar always uses January 1st. A manual adjustment may be made if desired for dates that are prior to the Gregorian changeover and which fail between January 1st and March 24th. Week of year and week year. Values calculated for the week of year field range from 1 to 53. Values calculated for the week of year field range from 1 to 53. The first week of a calendar year, week of year and week year. Values calculated for the week of year field range from 1 to 53. Values calculated for the, sorry, I have so much bitterness, you know, it actually causes me to like have to stop what I'm doing and think about just being angry for a while. Oh man. Oh, I need to pray to God. Pray to God that I not be so bitter. It's terrible. It's terrible. Yeah. Anyway, sorry, but it literally causes me to become like distracted. Like I can't focus. Values calculated for the week of year field range from 1 to 53. Values calculated for the week of year. So there's a week of year field. Oh, sorry. I should have gone to the bathroom before I started doing this. All of a sudden I'm tired and want to sleep and go to the bathroom, and I'm like slowly meandering my way through this. Yeah. It's good. Values calculated for the week of year field that range from 1 to 50. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, so there's 53 weeks in a year, roughly. Yep. First week of a calendar year is the earliest 7-day period starting on get first day of week that contains at least get minimal days in first week. So the first week of the calendar year, is the earliest 7-day period starting on get first day of week. So you get the first day of the week, it starts on that. Okay. That contains at least get minimal days in first week, days from that year. What does that mean? I think I understand the get first day of week, so the 7-day cycle has a first day, which is usually Monday, or it could be Sunday or Monday. So it starts on Sunday or Monday, and it contains at least this amount of days from that year, which I'm not sure. The 7-day period, it contains at least get minimal days in the first week. I'm not sure I really understand what that means, or what that is. It thus depends on the values of get minimal days in first week, get first day of week, and the day of the week of January 1st. Weeks between week 1 of one year and week 1 of the following year are numbered sequentially from 2 to 52 or 53, except for years involved in the Julian-Gregorian transition. Weeks between week 1 of one year and week 1 of the following year are numbered sequentially 2 to 52 or 53. Okay, I'm trying to understand. I don't know. I'm not really following. Struggling to follow. The get first day of week and get minimal days in first week values are initialized using locale-dependent resources when constructing a Gregorian calendar. The week determination. So what I want to know is, how do I find out what time zone my Gregorian calendar has? That's what I want to know. The week determination is compatible with the ISO 86001 standard when get first day of week is Monday and get minimal days in the first week is 4. So there's at least 4 days in the first week. Interesting. Which values are used in locales where the standard is preferred? Excuse me. These values can explicitly be set by calling set first day of week and set minimal days in first week. Okay, I don't really want to change those, but fair enough. I don't want to really modify anything. I wanted this to be like super simple. A week year is in sync with a week of year cycle. I don't know what that means. All weeks between the first and last weeks inclusive have the same week year value. No idea what's going on here. Excuse me. Therefore, the first and last days of a week year may have different calendar year values. So confused. No idea what that means. For example, January 1st, 1998 is a Thursday. Get first day of week is Monday. And get minimal days in the first week is 4. ISO 18601 standard compatible setting. Then week 1 of 1998 starts on December 29th, 1997. Okay, I think I understand. So you have to go back into the other year to get the full week. And that's considered the first week of the year. Okay, I get it now. I get it. And ends on January 4th, 1998. The week year is 1998 for the last 3 days of calendar year 1997. Oh, I see. Okay, so the week year is okay. I think that makes sense. If, however, get first day of week is Sunday, then week 1 of 1998 starts on January 4th, 1998 and ends on January 10th, 1998. Oh, I see. Okay. The first 3 days of 1998 are then then are part of week 53 of 1997, and their week year is 1997. Okay, that is super confusing, but I think I understand now. Like, I kind of understand now what they're talking about with this first day of the week and week year and minimal days of the week and all of that. So how do you separate, like, which year each week is a part of as they're sort of traverse into the next months? Default fields values, clear method sets calendar fields undefined. Gregorian calendar uses the following default values for each calendar field of its values undefined. Era, year, month, day of month, day of week, first day of week, week of month, day of week in month, AM, PM, hour, hour of day, minute, second, millisecond, all this is 0. It's AM. Day of week in the month, the first day of the month, and then, so if we pick year, month, and day of month, day of the week of the month, day of month. Default values are not applicable for the fields not listed above. Okay, so there are things here. Constructs a default calendar using the current time in the default time zone with the default locale. Interesting. So default time zone and default locale. So I guess, I don't know if the year, month, day of month. So I don't know what the time zone is. Excuse me. Yeah, I want to know what the time zone is for the default time zone. This is the constructor that I use. So year, month, day of month. Okay. Day of week. So this is frustrating and difficult. Construct a calendar with a given date set in the default time zone with the default locale. Alright, what is my time zone? Month, 0 for January, year. Okay, day of month, calendar field in that calendar. Excuse me. Oh, yawning out of frustration. Quite a bit of, yeah. So can we get the time zone? Can we do that? Time zone. Maybe we get a simple time zone here. Come back to that in a moment. That's okay, yeah. Get time zone, okay. So we can get our time zone. And we'll just say time zone. And then I want to display some information about this time zone. Let's do a 2-string. Let's try that. See what we get. Sun util calendar, zone info, ID, etc, offset, DST savings, use daylight savings, false. Transition 0, last rule null. I really gotta use the bathroom. Just wanna go use the bathroom, get some food, take a nap. Like, I don't even wanna think about this. It's alright. I mean, you just kind of keep going. So, etc, UTC. Is there a way to set the time zone to something else? It's all this stuff that I really don't care that much about these different things. I just want to get this thing to work. Just want to get this thing to work. Given base time zone offset from GMT and time zone ID with no daylight savings time schedule. Time zone offset from GMT, time zone ID, rules for starting and ending the daylight time. Isn't there, like, wouldn't there be like a stock kind of, like, I just want the time zone for the US, something like that, right? -8, DST 2 a.m. standard time on the first day, Sunday in April, and daylight time on the last Sunday in October, 1 hour, simple time zone, calendar April 1, calendar Sunday. Whatever this is, October, Sunday, -1, save an hour. What do these things mean? I don't know. It's different numbers. The ID, America, Los Angeles, base GMT, +1. I guess this is in seconds, the offset in seconds. So, or milliseconds even. What is this if you do 360 with 4 zeros? 360 with 4 zeros, okay. So 1,000 milliseconds gives you this many seconds, this many minutes, and this many hours, so 1 hour, okay. So that seems to be the offset from GMTs in milliseconds. And then, so I guess this would be 8 times that, -8 times that. And then an ID, then you have a way to specify when the DST begins, when the DST ends. And you also have this, which I don't know what this is. I don't know what these two numbers are. Oh, I guess 2 a.m. This specifies the time of the day in seconds, the hour of the day in seconds of when this occurs. So these 4 parameters are all for the specifying the DST start and end. And then I guess I don't know what the 1 - 1 is. Also negative Sunday. Last Sunday. Oh, I think first Sunday, last Sunday. Oh, I think that's what that is. But what's this negative calendar Sunday? I don't understand that. Is that a typo, or is that supposed to be that way? And then I think the hour of the DST change is specified here. So I think all of these parameters are for the DST change. So this is 1 hour offset forward from GMT. In March at 1 a.m. in UTC time, in daylight time. So 1 a.m. UTC time is here. So this is the last Sunday in March at 1 a.m. in UTC time, right? That's how you read that. That's when it starts, and it ends the last Sunday in October at 1 a.m. in UTC time. Yeah, and then the amount is an hour. The daylight savings. Okay. Great. So I guess I could specify daylight savings in my time zone. Do I need that though? I think that's all you're gonna get for, like, why is this so far off? That's the thing I'm confused by. It seems like this shouldn't be such an issue. It's not in, I want to say, let's see, can you get 3 days from Wednesday? It's a Saturday today, not today, but today's Saturday. Maybe that's the issue. Maybe this is, I'm so confused. Today is 9/11. Oh, wow, I didn't realize it. Today's Saturday. Today is Saturday, but this is coming out with Monday. Okay. So this is just the wrong day altogether. It's just wrong. Is it a time zone issue? Maybe we can give it it seems so strange. Like, why would, I am so confused. Can we get maybe each of these parameters? So c.get calendar.day of week. We want year. We want month. Excuse me. And we want year, month, and there's like day of month, right? Something like that. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Day of month. Yeah, let's try that. All right, 2021 is the year. The month is the September, and then the day of the month is the 11th. Okay. And which weekday is the day of the week? Which is not Monday. That's, what? Wait, what? 012? Huh? That's really confusing. Which weekday? The third day of the week? First off, this is not the third day of the week. What's the start of the week? The default. I think the start of the week for the default is Monday. Day of week and month. Day of week and month. Hold on. We might want day of week or day of week and month. We also day of year. Hey, that's what's wrong. A few things. So I have so many questions. I have different, yeah, multiple questions. I'm looking for. I don't know. I don't even forget what I was even looking for. There's the day of the week and there's the day of the week and the month, and then these are the same, as it turns out. Oh yeah, the beginning of the week, right? I think that's actually something you set, right? So you would get weekday or something like that. Set a week, date, year, week of the year, day of week. I think it's a regular calendar that we want. Want to get first day of week, yeah. Sunday in the US, Monday in France. Okay, let's try that. One. I think that's Monday. How do we get output of Monday? Should be Saturday. What's going on? First day of the week is 1. So can we just print each of these constants? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, I'm basically expecting this to be 0 to 6 inclusive, right? That's more or less, those are more or less the numbers I'm looking to see here. What? All right, let's try again. Two, three, four, five, six, seven, one. Okay, so Monday is 2. Interesting. Okay, I would not have expected that at all. That might explain why things are kind of twisted up here. What? Monday is 2, Sunday is 1. Okay, that must be it. So Monday is 2, I mean Sunday is 1. Okay, I think I get it. So this is the French starting at 1, right? Yeah. Okay, that's interesting. So, right. I guess we need to set a time zone. I guess we need to set a time zone. I don't know. How do we set the first day of the week? Okay. Does that really matter? Does that change anything? So we go to Monday, so we can do c.set first day of the week. And set that to calendar Monday. Okay. That'll change things slightly. So our output is still Monday. Oh, you know, that's why. Because we didn't make the change yet. So we change this to Monday, then we'll get some difference. No, no difference, doesn't even matter. Why? Come on, man. What do we make it Tuesday or Wednesday? How does that not change anything? Doesn't change anything. What kind of? Oh man, why is it so difficult? Is this just always the same, the day of the week? Oh, here we go. Well, oh. First day of the week, which weekday? On these two, right before check. Wait. 3 numbers before check? What is that? Two of these are the same. This is so aggravating. So apparently this doesn't matter at all. What we... If we go the next day at least, hopefully something happens here that we expect Tuesday. Okay, great. Ah! Why is it so wrong? I have no idea. I can't tell you. I have no idea. So apparently setting the first day of the week just doesn't matter at all. Reasons that are beyond me. Seems like that might matter, but I guess not. Alright, let's try changing the Gregorian. How did we do this? There's another thing you can manipulate here. Just have leap years or don't have leap years. Leap year is leap year. No. Oh, Gregorian change. That's what it is. So we set the Gregorian change to long max value, date long max value, date long min value. Okay, we're going to do date long min value and see what happens. Date long min value, okay. Set Gregorian. Alright, what happens if we do this? Unable to find the symbol. We do a new date. Excuse me. Getting compilation errors here. Cannot find symbols. Set Gregorian change. Receive type calendar. Why? Oh no. Maybe I spelled something wrong? I don't know why I'm so frustrated. I don't know what it is. Just annoyed. I'm annoyed. I'm annoyed. This is definitely a method. Do I need to typecast this first? I don't recall if Java has typecasting. But it must. Unboxing conversion. Unboxing conversion. I didn't know that. Okay, they box and unbox primitives. Unchecked conversion. Capture conversion. String conversion. Forbidden conversions, value set conversions, assignment conversion. A downcast and upcast. I'm looking for an downcast Java. Okay. Something like this, I don't know. Does that work? Oh, okay. Still says Monday. Great. What do we make the max value? Still Monday. Doesn't matter. Doesn't make a difference. Alright, I guess it just won't even bother with that. What is going on? Why is this not... How... I'm so confused. Why would this give us Monday and not Saturday? Why? Why? None of the changes I made, I was hoping they would make some kind of an impact. Don't even matter. Which is really surprising because you would think, you would guess, you'd assume that if you have leap years, then it changes the days in the years that are relevant. Excuse me. But for whatever reason, it didn't matter if we use leap years or not. Or how the leap year calculation was made or not. I just want to go take a nap. I don't know, man. I should change the title of this. I don't know what to call this. Like, it was supposed to be just tinkering with Java, but now we're like investigating the Gregorian calendar class and why it doesn't do what I would expect it to do. Just from intuitively. That's kind of where we're at. That's kind of where we're at. All right. Let me go. I need to use the bathroom. I want to get some food. I want to like just go lay down because I'm just annoyed. But I appreciate you watching. Thanks for hanging out and saying hello. I guess we'll do. I guess I'll change the name of this. I guess I will change the name of this stream, of this live stream, and then change the name of the live stream, and probably stream again later. Yeah, go use the bathroom, go get food, come back. I don't know, maybe take a nap or something, and then yeah, do more of learning about Java. I don't think most of the problems are like this, where you need to like sit and read about the classes, so we spend so much time because, like I said, Java has a lot of overlap with C++. But time, when you're dealing with time and calendars and things, it's always pretty complicated because there's just a lot of issues that can come up in time zones and things of that nature. Especially when you're dealing with time across multiple time zones, that's when things get kind of complicated. And kind of a pain in the neck. Like, it just takes time. It takes time to figure out the timing. So yeah, I'm gonna go. Yeah, thanks again for watching. Talk to you soon. Take care.